Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming another video that I've been meaning to share for so long. I feel like it was summer. I shared that I was pregnant. I also shared about Colby. Sadly, shortly after that last video, she passed away. She had a very aggressive cancer, and it was just a very challenging, hard, long summer. But she was the best. We talk about her every single day still. But I'm back now, and I am excited to start filming more videos. We have updated our apartment in so many ways that I need to share with you. I don't know how time is going by so fast, but we're in the third trimester, and it perfectly coincides with fall. So I've really been into like putting fall outfits together, ones that are comfy. So I thought in today's video I would share how I am prepping my fall wardrobe and home for the season. We also did very recently add a four-legged family member to our family, and I have to introduce you to her. She is big and she is fluffy and she is so sweet, but she has really brought us a lot of joy these last couple weeks. I am going to show you a few fall outfits I've been wearing lately, and then I'm going to talk about like how I care for my fall clothing at home instead of going to the dry cleaner. And I'm also going to show you some fall decorating that I've been doing around here. This video will just be a cozy fall, getting ready for fall video, but I do need to film an apartment tour very soon because we've done so many things to it. We will go ahead and get into the video. So I'm about to do some laundry, and I feel like laundry in the fall is a little bit trickier, and sometimes you just have a bunch of things that say on the tag like dry clean only, but I never go to the dry cleaner. I try to take care of everything at home, and thankfully I have some products that allow me to do that and keep my cashmere pieces and wool, all my little delicate sweaters for fall looking their best and in good shape, because a lot of times cashmere is expensive, and so you want to keep it lasting a long time. I am partnering with the Laundress, which is one of my favorite companies to buy laundry detergent. I just turned 31. I'm getting way too excited now about like laundry detergent. First of all, I still wash most of my things in a washing machine, and you can do that by using these mesh bags. These mesh bags are from the Laundress, and you just can put your cashmere sweaters in there. It keeps them from getting all stretched out and twisted up in the washing machine. So I put these in the bags, and then I use a special wool and cashmere shampoo to clean my wool and cashmere sweaters. So this is a specially formulated wash for wool and cashmere pieces. It keeps them soft, it keeps them looking their best, and so I will fill this up, put it in the washing machine with the mesh bag, and then I will air dry them. I do not put them in the dryer because the cashmere can definitely shrink. If I do have something that needs to be hand washed that might be even more delicate, this basin comes in handy because it has a drain right here, and you can just put it in the tub and then put this same wool and cashmere shampoo in it, submerge the cashmere sweater or delicate sweater that you're washing, let it soak for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then let it dry flat. And then I also just try to minimize overall how many times I wash everything. So I'll try to wear it like a few times before I have to wash it. And in that case, these sprays come in handy because they make it smell like fresh laundry when it's not fresh laundry. This is a special one for wool and cashmere. This one is just fabric fresh spray. I also like to spray our bedding and pillows out here with it because it just smells so fresh, and it's a good way to go longer in between washes so that your sweaters do last longer. After it's dry, if I notice some pilling happening, like I'm wearing cashmere biker shorts right now and where like the legs touch, I notice pilling. So I'll just quickly do like quick strokes with this comb and it helps. So really the Laundress is great for all of your laundry needs, but I do have a discount code. It's Pines25 for 25% off your order. And for orders over $25, you will get a little wash and stain bar, which is really nice to have for spot treating stains. So you just like lather it up, use a brush out the stain. So hopefully these are helpful tips, because I know if you're like me and you don't want to go to the dry cleaner, this is a great way to take care of your fall clothing at home. Now that we've talked a little bit about prepping the wardrobe for fall, let's talk about the home. So I usually add just a few pieces of fall decor, since I know once November rolls around, I'm going to want to deck the halls for the holidays, but fall still needs its moment to shine, even if it's just a subtle change. I like to swap out a couple of the throw pillows, especially in our bedroom and our living room, to either velvet or a textured knit material. I'll also swap out the quilt at the end of the bed, and I love these velvet quilts to take you through fall and winter. They're just so thick and warm. I also love to add in burgundy leaves to a vase in just about every single room in here. And then of course, I'll add a tiny pumpkin, something neutral, minimal, and earthy usually. I'll light a fall candle, find a cozy soup recipe. Lately, TJ has been making this delicious chickpea noodle soup. Just overall keeping things cozy in here. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here for today, but I will be sure to share an updated apartment tour very soon. We've made so much progress, especially with the kitchen. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to the Laundress for sponsoring today's video. I will leave the discount code in the description of the video, and I will see you very, very soon.